Well, today is December the 5th, 2024. My door is still in pretty good shape, but it is starting to fade out a little bit. Let's get up here and see if I can show you. Starting to get a little faded. Maybe a good coat of polyurethane. See up here in the shadows, you probably can't see, but it's not quite as faded, but that old west sun has been wearing it out. But I guess that's an acceptable solution for the last several years. Thanks for everybody for watching it and looking at it, and hope you were able to do it and have fun with it.